In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for content creation. If you create content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, you already know how important strong visuals are. The challenge is creating designs quickly, keeping everything consistent, and avoiding the frustration of starting from scratch every time. Canva makes that process much easier. And in this guide, I'll walk you through how to use it efficiently for content creation from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account, and once the Canva homepage loads, look to the top right corner for the Create a Design button. Click it once to start a new project. This is the main entry point for building graphics, videos, and other content, so it's a good place to get familiar with right away. After clicking Create a Design, you'll see a menu filled with preset sizes for different platforms. Choose the format that matches the type of content you want to make, such as an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a TikTok video. Once the editor opens, head to the left sidebar and click on Brand. From there, select your brand kit if you have one set up. This helps you keep your colors and fonts consistent, which is especially useful if you're creating content regularly and want everything to look cohesive. Next, let's add visuals to your design. In the left sidebar, click Elements. Use the search bar to find graphics or photos that fit your topic. When you find something you like, click and hold the asset, drag it onto your canvas, and then release. Canva will place it onto the design area, and you can adjust its size and position as needed. This drag and drop workflow is one of the reasons Canva is so beginner friendly. Once your visual is in place, it's time to add text. Click Text on the left, then choose Add a Text Box. Type your headline or hook and use the toolbar at the top of the editor to customize the font, size, and style. Choose a clear, readable font and make sure your main message stands out. Good typography can make a huge difference in how professional and engaging your design feels. If you want to adapt the same design for another platform, go to the top toolbar and click Magic Switch. Choose the new format you want, then click Continue. Canva will automatically resize and duplicate the design for that platform, which can save a lot of time when repurposing content. Before exporting, do a final check. Move your text and graphics slightly to make sure they snap into alignment using Canva's built-in guides. Keep your title clean and concise so the layout stays balanced. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PNG for a high-quality image or MP4 if your design includes animation, and click Download. That's it. You now know how to use Canva for content creation in a simple, practical way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.